The Indian Railways' contribution to national integration has been unparalleled. It has always come up with new and innovative approaches to make travel easier for passengers across the country, marking the beginning of a memorable traveling experience. The newly upgraded Tejas sleeper coach racks have been introduced in Western Railways. The smart coach aims to provide world-class facilities to passengers with the help of intelligent sensor-based systems. These bright golden-hued coaches are also being appended to run Railway's prestigious Mumbai Rajdhani Express train. The existing racks of Mumbai-New Delhi Rajdhani Special Express have been replaced with brand new Tejas type sleeper coaches. Two such Tejas type sleeper coach racks have been made ready to run as the Rajdhani Express. And out of these two racks, one rack comprises exclusive Tejas Smart Sleeper coaches, which is the first of its kind to be introduced over Indian Railways. The new train will have special features for enhanced passenger safety and comfort. Let's get to know more about it. It is equipped with passenger information and coach computing unit, along with GSM network connectivity, which reports to the remote server. This computing unit will record the data of WSP, CCTV recording, toilet odor sensors, panic switch and items integrated with fire detection alarm system, air quality, chalk filter sensor and energy meter. Two LCDs are also placed inside each coach to display the journey-related information to the passengers, such as what is the next station, the distance that has remained, expected time of arrival, delay and safety-related messages. LED digital destination board has also been installed on each coach by splitting the displayed data into two rows, with the first row displays train number and coach type, while the second row displays scrolling text of destination and intermediate station in multiple languages. These coaches are also equipped with security and surveillance monitoring systems, where 6 cameras are fitted in each coach, enabling live recording, day-night vision, facial recognition and network video recording. The important safety aspect is that the racks are fitted with an automatic plug door, where all main entrance doors are centralized and controlled by the guard, and the train will not start until all doors are closed. For medical or security emergencies, these coaches provide a fire alarm, detection and suppression system, along with an emergency talkback and panic button in lavatories. Moreover, to increase the life of the coach, a complete stainless steel underframe is also attached, and to improve passenger comfort and ride quality, air suspension bogies are also provided with the coaches. Apart from this, the coaches are also equipped with an on-board condition monitoring system, air conditioning system, water level sensor, roller blind, mobile charging points, berth reading light, and upper berth climbing arrangement. Tejas sleeper type train for the long distance journey is another paradigm shift by Indian Railways for enhancing the travel experience for its passengers. Indian Railways has knit India together by connecting all the regions and almost all the states in a single transport network. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.